Looking for the best digital microscope camera for electronics repair, PCB soldering, coin collecting, or professional inspection? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 digital microscope cameras of 2026, based on image quality, functionality, build quality, and overall value. Let's jump right in. Starting our countdown at number 5 is the Yizhan 4K HD electronic digital microscope. This model delivers crisp 4K imaging and supports HDMI, USB, and VGA outputs, making it compatible with monitors, laptops, and inspection systems. Its 150x zoom lens captures impressive detail for solder joints, microchips, and delicate circuit board repairs. One standout feature is the articulated arm, providing greater stability and flexible positioning compared to traditional microscope stands. Whether you're repairing smartphones, working on PCBs, or inspecting precision electronics, this microscope offers dependable performance with a professional workspace setup. Coming in at number 4 is the Yizhan 60-megapixel, 48-megapixel 4K digital microscope. Designed for both hobbyists and professionals, this microscope combines high-resolution imaging with multiple connectivity options, including HDMI, VGA, and USB. The included remote control makes capturing images and videos much more convenient during detailed repair work. Its foldable bracket saves workspace while maintaining solid stability. For electronics technicians looking for versatility and useful accessories, this microscope delivers excellent functionality at a competitive price. Taking the third spot is the NicePower 150x digital microscope. This model stands out thanks to its modern connectivity, offering HDMI, USB, and Type-C support for maximum flexibility across today's devices. Its 150x magnification provides outstanding clarity when inspecting PCBA assemblies, solder joints, integrated circuits, and tiny electronic components. Built with industrial inspection in mind, NicePower combines dependable image quality, responsive controls, and durable construction, making it an excellent choice for professionals and advanced DIY users alike. Our runner-up is the 4K electronic digital microscope powered by the Sony IMX678 image sensor. This premium sensor delivers exceptional color accuracy, sharper detail, and improved low-light performance compared to many standard microscope cameras. Combined with HDMI and USB connectivity, bundled measurement software, and a precision 150x lens, this microscope is perfectly suited for electronics repair, quality inspection, and educational applications. If image quality is your highest priority without stepping into premium pricing, this model is an outstanding performer. Claiming the number 1 position is the Yizhan Full 4K HD digital microscope. What sets this microscope apart is its availability with Sony IMX678, IMX415, and IMX327 image sensor options, allowing users to choose the performance level that best fits their needs. Its true 4K imaging, HDMI and USB connectivity, and 1x to 150x zoom range deliver remarkable clarity for PCB soldering, electronics repair, industrial inspection, and precision engineering. From superior image quality and excellent low-light performance to reliable construction and professional-grade functionality, this microscope earns our top recommendation as the best digital microscope camera of 2026. Those are our picks for the top 5 digital microscope cameras of 2026. Whether you're a professional technician, electronics enthusiast, or hobbyist, there's an option here to match your needs and budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product rankings and tech reviews. Thanks for watching Global Deal Explorer, and we'll see you in the next video.